everyone. My name is Alban, and I'm the Chief Operating Officer at Inbolt. At Inbolt, we were three co-founders. This is Rudy, our CEO,
Hi.
and Luis, our CTO.
Hi.
At Inbolt, we want to change the way you think about labor in the industry. Not every process can be automated, and not every man can be replaced. We deeply think that human expertise is at the heart of the industry. Of course, it happens that sometimes people make mistakes, and maybe more than machines. But this is where we come at Inbolt. We are developing a new tracking technology for handheld tools to increase and improve the reliability of industrial manual processes in the industry. So what do I mean by manual processes? It's all the drilling, torquing, or riveting done every day by the operators. So more concretely, at Inbolt, we're developing a hardware module, so a small device, that you can plug and play onto any kind of tool, a drill or a torque wrench, for instance. This module can track the tool's position in real time relatively to an assembly when it is used by an operator. And by knowing the position of a tool at any given time, we're able to validate if the operator is doing the task rightly or not. If the operator, for instance, is torquing the right bolt or drilling a hole at the right place. This module is coupled to a quality control software. This software is available for the operators and also for the managers. This software can validate automatically if a task is being done rightly, or it can warn the operator if the task has not been done well. Right now, our tracking technology is functional, and this is great. We have filed our first patent 2 weeks ago.
Real-time monitoring of manual processes allows for constant traceability and thus increased reliability. Our value proposition is twofold, for the managers and for the operator. For the managers, we reduce the production cost by reducing both the need for quality controls and the non-quality cost generated by manual processes mistakes. On that last point, we've computed that one of our leads could save up to 1 million a year thanks to our solution. Furthermore, we gather data on what was until now a black box, and we plan on using those data to optimize and audit manual processes. Then, for the operator, we give them back the ownership of their task. In the end, they are the one who is going to guarantee the quality of their actions. Also, we remove the need for heavy and time-consuming reporting at the end of each task. Our solution knows when a task is done and done well, and we integrate seamlessly into already existing processes so that we won't disturb the daily life of the operator. We have a very strong competitive advantage. We don't give indication upstream, nor check the quality downstream. We make it possible to check in real time the quality of manual processes on assembly lines.
At Inbolt, we are tackling the issues of non-quality costs generated by manual processes in the industry. So our market is huge. We have identified some use case in aerospace, automotive, naval, oil and gas, or robotic arms. But if we only focus on the aerospace sector, automotive and naval, we have a market of more than $45 billion. So we identified the aerospace sector as our beachhead market for two reasons. Because their non-quality costs are huge and their processes are critical. So there is a real need for our solution. Since we started Inbolt last year, we experienced real traction. So we are now talking to big players in the aerospace sector such as Airbus, Safran or Thales. And we are in negotiation for 3 POCs with TSI Space, SKF and Ariane Group. So we have more than 10 demos planned for the next 2 months. We also exhibited at Vivatech with our partner Thales, and we will exhibit at Le Salon du Bourget. So if you're around, come and see us. So all this is possible thanks to our complementary team and thanks to our 2 advisors who mentor us every day. We have Julie Bovici, who comes from Alliance Industrie du Futur, and Jean-Pierre Cogent, who is the former head of strategy at Safran Group. And now we are launching a $300,000 pre-seed round, and this pre-seed will permit us to industrialize our technology, to deliver our POCs, and to expand the team. As you know, we are 3 co-founders, but we are going fast, and we plan to be 7 by the end of the day. So thank you for your attention.
Thank you.
Thank you.